So in this video, let's see how you can edit a Camtasia recording. So this is going to be a quick tutorial, so I'm not going to cover everything. So you know how to record. Once you open up Camtasia and you have this window in 2018, 2019, and 2020. So you can just click here to start a new recording if you want to record, or you can go ahead and open a project that you saved, or you can start a new project, or you can just click on any of the last projects that you are working on. So for us, I'm going to open up a project that is pre-recorded, and I'm going to show you how you can edit the new recording. We're going to edit the sound, we're going to edit the video, and in the end, we're going to export the video. So I have this file which was recorded in Camtasia 2018, and I want to copy its name so that I can use the same name to save it. So I'll just double click on it to open it in Camtasia. This is just a sample recording that I want to use to show you how you can edit your Camtasia recording. So first of all, let me just save it, and to save, you can come in here and you can go into Save As. I will paste in the name that I copied. And now the project is saved. You can also record. So if you hadn't recorded anything, then you can record a new recording. So the first thing I always do is I just click on the video here, and you can see the sound is pretty low. So I'll click here on audio effects, and the first thing I'll do, I'll drag that in there, this volume leveling. And leveling just helps to at least increase the volume by leveling it up to a certain decibel level. And I'm going to show you how to edit the audio as well in Audacity. That's also something I'm going to do in the next step. So first, maybe you want to add some cursor effects. For us, let's say we want to add a spotlight here, and you can change the features for your cursor on this side. So this side, we have the properties for everything that you choose, and all the effects that you use will be here. If you just click on this, it will show you the effects. So if you don't like something, you can delete it. So the cursor effect, we're using spotlight. Maybe you can change the color. And if you use the spotlight, it will just highlight the area where the cursor is, and it will cover the other parts like this. And you can also reduce the opacity of how much it covers. All right. And of course, this is a very bad one. I don't want to use that. So I'll just delete that effect. Just select it like that, and you can delete it. So let's say we choose this. For this one, you can decide how much you want to magnify the mouse. And you can see in this video, the mouse was pretty still, but maybe in a different recording, your mouse will be moving all about. So you can scale it. You can scale the mouse to a certain level so that it's much more visible to the eye. Just play around with all these settings if you want to change those, but I'm going to leave this as it is. The next thing I want to do is I want to separate the audio and the video, and then I'm going to export this audio. And to export the audio only, just come here under share and export audio only, and it's going to get exported. And I want to go and open Audacity, and I'll just drag in the file that we saved. So once Audacity is open, I can just drag in the file here. And the first thing I want to do here, let's see, I can do a bit of compression. Before I even do much, let me just compress the audio, and you can use the same settings that I'm using here. If your recording is much louder than mine, you can reduce that. Just leave this as it is. Just choose the settings that I'm using. And then once I do that, I'm going to normalize the audio effect. I'm going to normalize it. and I'll normalize to -3 decibels. And then I'm going to choose that, and I want to do a noise reduction, get the noise profile, and then I will come into effect and I will repeat the noise reduction. And I want to come back, select the noise again, noise reduction, and I want to reduce this down to 2, and I want to get the noise profile, and I can do repeat the noise reduction. So just keep doing that until the audio quality is much better. So I'm going to pause and just continue doing that for a moment. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next one when we continue from here.